Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Toyota Land Cruiser 80. I remember we unboxed this as well, if I'm not wrong. So okay, so I bought this for 299 and this comes under Hot Wheels Silver Line series and this is 4 out of 5. You can see. And this the color scheme of this car looks really good. So let's unbox and see how this one actually looks. I do love this, glittery dark green and dark blue as well. Okay, so let me just show you the card first. Here it is. So the card actually has some kind of this dirt detailing here, but the actual car doesn't have. They did that for that little roar. I mean that Mini Cooper's variant. That was really cool. So okay, let's move to the casting now. Okay, so out of the box or blister, the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, this particular paint job, this sparkly green or sparkly blue, always stands out really well. Even in the real cars I'm talking about. So this casting is no exception for that. This looks absolutely gorgeous, and you can see the liveries here. That looks really nice, and it has headlight detailing here. A bit messed up, but it's still there. So there are no grill details. They just painted on it, and they put the Toyota logo on top of it. You can see the lamping, lamp details here. I don't know if this is a fog lamp or this is more specifically to the off-roading cars. Okay, so it has the rear view mirrors here. It has the sunroof here, and you can see the interior detailing here a little bit. And I do love the small detailing here. That is the wiper detailing. So that looks really nice, and the color scheme on this looks really nice because it's like dark green, and then like kind of light green, and then light green, and then lime green, and then it's white. I mean, that is a really good uh, you know combination there. And you can see the rear this tail light detailing as well, which is really nice. So the wheel here is this particular tire. This is plastic, and it is just fixed there. You can't remove or do anything there. And the interior looks really nice. Let me just try to focus. It is a bit tinted in black, but again this black tint goes really well with this particular color. So I actually said that I do love that blue tinted versions. Okay, I still love that, but I love the black tinted versions for this kind of color combination because this looks absolutely gorgeous. And okay, so the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic, wheels are plastic, interior is plastic, and the bumper here, this is also plastic. And okay, you can see the door handles here, that is embossed and engraved inside a little bit. Same goes for the fuel filler cap, sorry, that fuel filler door, you can say. So the rims looks really nice. I think this is okay. Is this the same rims which we saw in this Tundra? Let me just see. Okay, kind of looks the same, but this one is a bit bigger compared to this one. Okay, but it does look, yeah, it is the same set of rims, but this one is a bit larger compared to the one which we are actually doing the video on it. So yeah, it's the same set of rims. So but the paint job is really awesome, as you can see. Okay, let's play this casting now. Okay, so far whatever we unboxed, I personally love this one. 38 grams, that is really nice. Okay, let's see if this fits the track. Yeah, it does. Okay, it makes a lot of noise. Front wheel wobbles a little bit, but it does roll good. Maybe it's not fast, but it does roll really good. So yeah, it's a really beautiful and solid casting. So mine has a little paint bubble on the top here, So yours might not have that. So okay, let's rate this casting now. So personally, again, only one, just one issue with this casting is, the grill detail here that would have elevated this casting to another level, because you are going to keep this car in this way, right? It looks really blunt on the front. So, but on the side it looks really nice. But given that these are just paint job, if people wants to customize, they can easily remove this. But on the front side, if you have the actual grill details which is embossed or engraved, that is going to stand out all the time. So just for that, I'm just taking out point 0.5, so 9.5 out of 10. So, but this is like a beautiful casting, and if you get a chance to get this casting, so out of all the four which we unboxed so far, I would prefer this one over the other three. Uh, I mean, to be honest, personally, just because of the paint job, I'll pick this one. So it looks really beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.